She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes mysterious. Once you get to know her, you see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah.
What's going on YouTube? Back with another video, and today we are finally going to install this carbon fiber steering wheel brought to you by King of Carbon Fiber themselves. I absolutely love this steering wheel. Honestly, it blew my expectations out the water just because of the quality and how it looks. I love the high gloss shine on the carbon fiber with that red stripe just to match the side red stitchings on the genuine leather. I also do love the thumb grips that they do come in carbon. It does retain the heating aspect of the steering wheel, so even though you replace your steering wheel, you still have that heated steering wheel option. It also does come with the lower steering wheel centerpiece in carbon fiber. I absolutely love this piece, so it's gonna fully complete the whole look of the steering wheel. Honestly, this is gonna be a super easy installation. I've done a video like this in the past with my other Corolla. This one's just a little different. I think the bolt is just, one bolt is just different, but it's basically the same thing. The one cool thing about King of Carbon Fiber, you can fully customize this steering wheel to your liking, from the stitching on the left side, stitching on the right side, different overlays, different amount of stripes, different color of carbon. You can do any color of carbon. To show you guys what I'm talking about, let's go on his website and I'll show you guys how to customize your steering wheel. Now that we have the website loaded up, the link will be down in the description. You go ahead and choose your car. So he has plenty of different cars that you can choose from if you are watching and you have a different car. For this video, we're doing the Toyota GR Corolla. So go ahead and type in the year, make, and model. And then you're gonna choose a picture of what steering wheel you have. There's definitely a lot of steering wheels, so definitely look out for that. Ours is number 12, the GR Corolla picture. They do have wheel shapes. So this one's round top, flat bottom, flat top, flat bottom, flat top, round bottom, fully round steering wheel, or the Tesla steering wheel type. So I went with the round top, flat bottom, and there's a lot of materials to choose from. I went with glossy black carbon fiber. There's the matte, there's the 6K carbon fiber, there's the honeycomb, red, forged carbon fiber, forged with red flake, forged with blue flakes, forged with pink flakes, forged with purple flake, blue, silver, red and black, blue and black, yellow and black, yellow, gold, purple, and they do have another option of honeycomb suede if you guys like. And there's a lot of grip materials also. So the first one is perforated leather, smooth Napa leather, Alcantara suede, textured leather, or genuine black leather. So I went with this one. It does cost $50 more, but I definitely do think it's worth the upgrade to choose that. Or if you don't want leather on your steering wheel at all, you can put all carbon fiber. Here's the stitching color. I went with red, but there's plenty of options you can choose, so I just went with red. And then we go ahead and go on the carbon thumb grip inlays. I went yes. You can hit no if you don't want them, but I hit yes. I went with the same material. I wish I would have chose red, because I did see a steering wheel with red carbon fiber. It looked really good, but I did go with black. And then there's also an option for the top centering. I went with red, and here's an example of what you can do. You can choose up to 3 stripes. And then there's a RPM LED screen. I wish I would have did this, but I opted out for it, but you definitely can do that if you guys like. So we do not have paddle shifters. So if you do have a different car and your car does have paddle shifters, if you hit yes, you can choose the material of carbon that you like for your shifters. So we do hit yes on the heated steering wheel because we do have it. If you would like to retain it, it will cost an extra $170, but if you don't, you don't have to. And it also has a matching horn cover. I opted out, but if you like to, you can do that as well. And the last customizable option is the carbon fiber trims and buttons. So we do have the trim at the bottom, that GR trim piece that I did show you. They don't have button covers yet, but I think he will have them soon. So this is built separately. He will message you, email you to see if they do have the button covers or not. So with that being said, all these customizable options, it's honestly crazy how much you can customize your steering wheel. I honestly went really basic, but you can really go all out with your steering wheel if you like thanks to King of Carbon Fiber. So if you guys do decide to customize the steering wheel, definitely use my code BRONZEBACK at checkout for $100 off. So the more options you choose, the more discount you get. I just want to give a huge shout out to King of Carbon Fiber for always working with the GR Corolla platform, and I know he's going to keep on pushing the GR Corolla platform. So huge shout out to him. Let's go ahead and install this steering wheel. Alright guys, to start off the installation, you do need a pocket screwdriver, and you will need to pop out some pins on the side of the steering wheel. So the first two pins are here on the side, one here and one here, and the third pin is right here. So all you have to do is stick this guy in here like that once it pops out. Alright, so now once this is out, this is the part where you do disconnect your battery. Go ahead and disconnect this terminal with the 10mm socket. And then what I do is just go ahead and put a rag and just leave it like that. Once that's out, you just pull it out, and you want to get this tab right here. Just pull it out and pick it up. And then you want to twist it, and there's a little tab right here on the ground. Just flick it up like that and twist it back your way. And then you want to get under here and pop up this orange tab. And then you want to go ahead and pull it out. The airbag's out, so you won't get confused with the connectors because blue goes with blue and black goes with black. You want to go ahead and set it down face down. You have to remove this connector here. Alright, so next up you get a T50, and you go ahead and just get a 3-inch extension with a 1/2-inch breaker bar. And just break it loose like that. And then go ahead and remove this bolt. Alright, so once it's removed all the way, go ahead and screw it just a couple threads just so you can go ahead and pull it out like that. The reason why I left the bolt in there so this doesn't go flying, because it's kind of stuck in there. So now we can remove this bolt. You want to disconnect the heating connector and just be careful, wiggle it out. Alright, so next step you have to do is take off these 2 Phillips screws and pop this out. Once you remove that cover, you want to go ahead and remove this Phillips bolt at the bottom. It feels like you're gonna break it, but it's not. And then we're gonna just pull this piece right here. Go ahead and put this to the side. Go ahead and put this backing plate on there. Like that. Then you go ahead and grab your connectors. So once that's put in there, go ahead and put this cover. Go ahead and do the same thing with the other side. Just snap this back on. See how it's not flush, so you got to make sure it's snapped in all the way like that. Now we're ready to go. Now it's time to transfer the carbon fiber piece onto this piece. 2 Phillips screws. So then go ahead and just pop it out. Put that onto the side. Go ahead and line up the new one. Alright, so once you have it lined up, go ahead and screw it in. Once that's put on, go ahead and just slip it over. Just get your Phillips screws and put them in there. I had the steering wheel pretty straight, so just make sure you put it in straight, and you're going to want to snake these connectors in. That looks as straight as possible. So then you want to go ahead and connect your connector. Go ahead, put the bolt in. Don't need to tighten it too hard. It wasn't that tight when I took it off. Give it a little love like that, and you're good. The torque spec is here in case you guys want a torque spec. Now we go around and install these connectors here. So what I like to do first is connect these this clip here, because it kind of stretches it out. Make sure you connect your ground. Airbag cable. Snap it in. Then connect the black one. Snap it in. Now we're good to go. Since the battery is disconnected, no honking. Also at the end of the video, just to spice things up, I am going to install this dash kit from King of Carbon Fiber as well. It's just a bunch of overlays in carbon fiber. This set is not quite done yet. This set is work in progress. So we only need one thing. Obviously you can see we need the center console. King of Carbon Fiber is actually working on that right now. So as soon as he is able to drop that, I will definitely put a link down in the description. This is 90% of all your trim pieces in the front. You just need the center console. With that being said, let's go install all these pieces together. There we have it. The full interior set installed. So we can start off from the door. So it's just a door switch and the door handle, and then we move on to the switches on the left, to the start button, the whole multimedia display, part of the dash, and the other side of the door. King of Carbon Fiber is working on the center dash, and that should be the last part of this kit. It's gonna look really, really good. And there it is, folks. Full carbon interior. Well, mostly full, not quite yet. We still need to get these switch covers right here and the actual Toyota logo to be replaced in carbon. I think that'll be a nice touch. But that's how easy it is to go ahead and install the full dash kit and steering wheel. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Catch you guys on the next one.